Are you looking for any few extra cash without investment? Then yes, you are in the right place. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to earn little bit money without investment. Also, I'm going to do the live withdrawal at the end, so stay with me until the end of this video to find out the result. Without further delay, let's move on to this app. So this is the actual app guys, name is Freecash app. You can see a feature offer guys, and below is the price you will get after completing the offers. You can earn money here by doing the different tasks. First is feature offer. Second is survey partners. You can see here different tasks we need to complete to get the amount. However, you cannot complete these offers fully. For example, I'll show you my completed offers. If I click to my profile, now you can see here guys, I have completed 35 offers and total earning is $239 and last 30 days earning is $41. If I scroll down here, you can see here guys, these are the offers I have completed. I haven't completed all of these tasks from these offers. If I click one of the offers, which is playing the red shadow legend, you can see here below guys, I have completed the first task, second, third, fourth and fifth, but I couldn't complete the other tasks here guys. However, it is free so that you can earn little bit extra cash by completing some of these offers. If you have got the more free time, then yes, you can earn little bit more money, but I'm not suggesting to buy their bonus package and complete all of these offers. You can do it if you like, but you will not be in the more profit by doing so. So you can see here on the top guys, $145. Now without delay, let's withdraw it and we'll find out the result. So if I click on the amount, you can see here guys, lots of withdraw options: PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin and so on below. Other options: Visa, Amazon, Google Play, so on other options below. Within this, I will choose the Litecoin. However, you can choose Ethereum, Dogecoin or other option as well, because Litecoin is easiest one and less withdraw fee. So let's click on the Litecoin. In here guys, I need to put the Litecoin address. So let's get the Litecoin address from Coinbase and put it here. However, you can choose any other options like Binance, CoinEx, etc. Whatever are the easiest for you guys. So let's go to the Coinbase. Let's click to the Litecoin and get the receiving address. Clicking to the receipt. Now let's copy the Litecoin address here guys. Let's go back and paste it here. Save address. Now you can see here on the bottom, address is saved. Now clicking to the max amount. Now you can see here guys, 145.215. On the bottom below guys, you can see here withdraw fee is $0 and I will receive 1.99 Litecoin. So let's click in the withdraw. Clicking on the verify now. Now I need to tick two of the term and condition for verification. Let's tick it and start verification. Now you can see here guys, ID check is completed. I have to upload driving license and face verification. Now let's try withdraw again. Clicking to Litecoin, max amount and click to withdraw again. Your withdrawal will be approved by a moderator shortly. This usually takes just a few minutes. First time withdrawals are usually approved within 1 hour. On the top here guys, now you can see here withdrawal approved. Now you can see here on the top, after withdrawal, balance became $0. After 5 minutes in Coinbase, you can see here my total balance guys, $144. Total balance 1.97 Litecoin. So this is the very legit app guys. However, you cannot be rich from this app, but you can earn little bit few extra cash by completing offers. So that's all for now guys. If you want to see more this kind of videos in the future, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next one.